Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Teenager Who Cooks. So the Chinese Moon Festival is coming up, and last year I showed you how to make some traditional mooncakes, and today I want to show you a slightly different version of mooncakes that's called the snow skin mooncake, and it's completely no bake and it's really easy to make, and they come out looking really nice. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients for the wrapper of the mooncake, the snow skin. So we have 90 grams of glutinous rice flour, 70 grams of rice flour, 40 grams of wheat starch, and 100 grams of powdered sugar, and finally 370 grams of milk. Oh, also, we need 40 milliliters of oil. Vegetable oil works best, but I didn't have vegetable oil, so we're using olive oil today. All these different types of flours can be found in most Asian markets. They come in small little pouches, and well, there's lots of varieties, so make sure you get the right one. So the first step will be adding our powdered sugar into the milk. I'm just gonna add a little bit, stir, add a little bit, stir, and you wanna try to get it fully combined. After it's pretty much combined like this, we'll add oil. Again, you just want to stir until combined. Now it's time to add all of our flour. So I have my sieve here. I'm just gonna add all 3 flours. Our ingredients have been sieved, so now I'm just gonna slowly stir it. So we want it to be as combined as possible. And make sure you get all of the flour that might be stuck on the bottom too. Now we're gonna take our stirred mixture and then strain it into a bowl, that which you can use for steaming. And then once there's pretty much no more, you're just going to discard all this stuff that's at the bottom. Now I'm gonna take plastic wrap. I'll wrap it, and we're just gonna let it sit for 30 minutes before we put it in the steamer and we steam it. Alright, and now we wait for 30 minutes. Alright, our mixture has been sitting for half an hour. So now it's time to transfer it into the steamer. I'm going to open the lid of the steamer. Then I want to place this guy inside. And then I'm going to put the lid back on. And we're going to wait for another half an hour. Alright, so our dough has been steaming for half an hour. And now I'm going to take it out. Oh yes. So here you want to try to work fast. I'm going to take the dough, and then we're going to transfer it on here. And then we're going to go ahead and use our wooden chopsticks. We're going to want to try to stir it around as fast as possible. Basically here you just want everything to be combined. It's hot, so be careful. You're gonna want to have oven mitts for this. Alright, so I'm pretty much done stirring my dough. As long as it's all in one big clump, it should be fine. And then, now we're just gonna leave it until it's cool. I'm just gonna show you the consistency of the dough. It's really, really thick. And it's pretty smooth now, so it should be fine. Alright, our dough has cooled a little bit. So I'm gonna transfer it to this plate with plastic wrap on it. So I'm going to use the plastic wrap to cover it now that I've moved it all into the plate. And now that I've covered it with plastic wrap, I'm just gonna knead it with my hands for several minutes. After I'm done kneading it, I'm gonna put it into the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. Alright, our dough has been sitting in the fridge for a few hours now. And then Ryan is here, and we're gonna make the actual mooncakes together now. So first step is we're gonna unwrap our dough and split it into even parts. The dough should be in pieces of 40 grams each. Alright, and it's really sticky, so I would put some flour on it.
I want to throw some on your knife too.
For beginning.
So while Andrew's doing that, I'll just measure out 30 grams of these, I guess. Oh, okay, let's see. Let's try that one.
So all our dough is ready and all our fillings are ready. So I cut the dough in half for the date ones because we're using a smaller mold because we want to differentiate the red bean and the date. So I'm gonna put the filling in the middle of the dough. Take our fingers, go like that, and just start pushing the filling in until the dough reaches the top. And when the dough reaches the top, pinch it all together. Get some flour on it, and then roll it around. And we have a ball like this. Use this. Stole from Ryan. And then we're gonna push down, eject it, and there we have a little snow skin mooncake. No bake, super easy. It looks really nice. And I'm just gonna put it in the date plate.
I feel like mine looks better, not gonna lie.
Okay. This is a competition.
Yeah.
So right now I'm packaging a few mooncakes for Ryan to take home, share with his family. Ryan, pick one.
Oh, I'll take the one that I made.
Oh, okay, the panda one.
Look at how perfect this is.
All right, and then we have a little gift box of mooncakes for Ryan. And close up the box. Yippee!
Thank you, Andrew.
Yeah, and
gonna try
now
one?
wait, let's share a mooncake for the rest of the night. So I'm going to cut the mooncake in half,
You're being left-handed.
and then we're going to do a mooncake
Kind of
cheers
lopsided. Look at that.
to
Cheers.
celebrate the Lunar festival.
Look at that cross section.
So good.
I heard that, yeah.
It's pretty much like mochi.
Yeah. I
It's-
mean, it is mochi.
Yeah, it's not quite as sticky as mochi.
All right, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Yay.
And stay tuned for the next video.
Mm-hmm.